Hey everyone, and welcome to the age-old question. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? This simple query, first asked by the ancient philosophers, has been perplexing scientists and thinkers alike for centuries. The conundrum lies at the intersection of biology, philosophy, and evolution, making it an intriguing topic to delve into. The question seems innocuous, but it's more than just a riddle. It's a philosophical query about causality and the origins of life. It's a question that makes us ponder about the very nature of life, evolution, and existence. It's a question that's been debated for centuries with various theories put forth, but none definitive. But fear not, because today we're going to crack this egg-cellent mystery wide open with the power of science. First, rewind the clock. Did you know that eggs in general have been around for a whopping 340 million years? That's right. The humble egg predates the chicken by a long shot. Picture a world where dinosaurs roamed freely. Even then, eggs were a part of life's grand design, a testament to nature's love for the circular form. These early eggs weren't the chicken eggs we know and love today. They were produced by ancient reptiles and amphibians. Dinosaurs, too, were part of this egg-laying club. So, in a way, the egg was the first to make an omelet, so to speak. Now, let's fast forward a bit. It's about 50 million years ago, and a new player enters the scene. The chicken. The chicken, as we know it, is a relatively recent addition to the animal kingdom. So if you were placing bets on this age-old question, the egg would be your safe bet. But this narrative isn't as straightforward as it seems. The egg that we've been talking about isn't necessarily the chicken egg, but rather a general term for all eggs. The chicken egg, the one that would give birth to the first chicken, would only come about after a series of complex evolutionary processes. So, while eggs have been around for hundreds of millions of years, the chicken egg is a bit of a newcomer. This egg, laid by a non-chicken ancestor, would hatch the first creature we'd recognize as a chicken. To sum it all up, eggs have been around for an impressive 340 million years, laying the groundwork, or should we say nest work, for the creatures that were to come. Chickens, on the other hand, made their entrance about 50 million years ago. They are the new kids on the block, but compared to eggs, they're practically youngsters. Now here's where things get interesting. Evolution doesn't work in jumps. It's more like an artist sculpting a masterpiece. Slow, deliberate, and over a long stretch of time. This gradual process of change, known as evolution, is driven by tiny mutations and the force of natural selection. Picture this. You're modifying a car model over many generations. With each new model, there are slight tweaks and improvements, adapting and refining the design for better performance. Yet, despite all these changes, each new model retains a basic structure: 4 wheels, a chassis, an engine. The same principle applies to the evolution of species. Over countless generations, through small but significant genetic modifications, a non-chicken bird could gradually morph into what we now recognize as a chicken. But how does this happen, you might ask? It all starts with an egg. You see, every egg contains a unique mix of genes from its parents. These genes can mutate or change, and sometimes these mutations can lead to significant differences in the offspring. So imagine a bird that's almost, but not quite, a chicken. We'll call it a proto-chicken. This proto-chicken lays an egg, and due to a lucky roll of the genetic dice, the egg contains a mutation that gives it the characteristics we associate with modern chickens. The egg hatches, and out pops the world's first official chicken. But here's the catch. While the creature that hatched from the egg is a chicken, the creature that laid the egg isn't. So, in a way, the egg came first, an egg that contained the genetic blueprint for a chicken. But somewhere along the evolutionary line, a specific mutation in an egg laid by a non-chicken ancestor resulted in the birth of the very first chicken. And that, dear listeners, is how the chicken, and indeed all species on Earth, evolved not in giant leaps but in tiny incremental steps over millions of years. This first chicken egg wouldn't have looked drastically different from its non-chicken predecessor. But here's the thing, the creature inside this egg held a novel combination of genes, a mutation, if you will, that marked the birth of what we'd call a chicken. This mutation was passed on from egg to chick, chick to egg, and so on. So, how did this first chicken come into existence? Well, it all started with an egg laid by a bird that was almost, but not quite, a chicken. This almost chicken laid an egg that contained a chick with the right genetic makeup to be classified as a chicken. So, While the chicken as a species came into existence after the egg, the first true chicken came from an egg laid by a bird that was not quite a chicken. So in a way, the chicken came first from an egg. However, this answer doesn't eliminate the philosophical aspect of the question. It's a fascinating puzzle, pushing us to think about the concept of origins and how one thing leads to another in the intricate dance of life. The chicken and the egg conundrum is more than just a riddle. It's a gateway that opens up our minds to explore the complexities of evolution, the wonders of nature, and the captivating mysteries of our universe. It's a testament to the beauty of questions, the power of curiosity, and the enduring pursuit of knowledge. It reminds us that the journey to discovery is as important as the destination itself. Every question we ask, every mystery we solve, and every fact we uncover adds another piece to the grand puzzle of existence. And so we continue on this journey of exploration, fueled by our innate desire to understand the world around us. It's through scientific inquiry and a healthy dose of curiosity that we can continue to unlock the secrets of our universe, one amazing fact at a time.